So blockchain is a global distributed digital ledger. Smart contract. What is a smart contract? Smart contract is an option contract between parties, two or more parties who's written as a code into blockchain. The individuals involved are anonymous, but the ledger is public. A triggering event like expiration date will execute the contract automatically. So what are the problems associated with crowdfunding? Basically scams, midway problems in product development, and no control over money. Contributors have no control over their own money that they are contributing. So to solve these problems, we have provided a solution which is Reach Your Goal. It is a blockchain-based crowdfunding platform. It uses Ethereum blockchain, which is a decentralized platform, and deploying campaigns as smart contracts on the blockchain. Now let me explain to you our workflow with a demo. So this is our application for the crowdfunding. Crowdfunding. Now what is crowdfunding? Crowdfunding is basically calling for investors, but not a big fish. We are including all the audience and keeping it open for raising an amount that is used for a cause. So this is our application. The user John Smith has 14 Ether. Ether is the cryptocurrency that we are using. Test service request has been raised, but the finalize button is not available for options right now. Now we'll see the contributors. The contributor will first allow the request to flow only further if it is a legitimate request. He will approve the request only if the request is legitimate, and if it is not legitimate, the flow will stop here as well. So now you can see the John Smith user can see the finalize button is enabled as the request is approved by the contributor. So now we'll finalize the request. Once we finalize the request, the money will be transferred to the vendor. As you can see, the achievements of these are funding is increases accountability, and all the parties have control over their money that they are using. The second solution that we are providing is the rewards platform. Now what is the problem with the current reward system that we are facing is the cost of establishing, operating and securing loyalty points is very high. Also, generally in a joint loyalty program, what we need is to establish a B2B connection. B2B communications needed to maintain the accounting aspect of the loyalty points, where each party has to audit transactions and secure from fraud. Also, the low redemption rate and the long collection time. It requires a long duration of time to collect so many reward points so that we can use it the next time. So for the second solution, we have two e-commerce sites. One is Juice Card and the other one is Shoe Card. We can buy the juice and redeem points on Shoe Card. First we buy one juice and get 10 rewards point, then those can be redeemed on the Shoe Card by buying those shoes. So now we'll directly move to the shoe part. Now I'll add a shoe to my cart and proceed to checkout. Now once I proceed to checkout, I'll have an option for redemption of the points, and then I'll use my reward points that I have earned from the Juice Card. Now after buying the shoes, I have already earned 10 reward points and used my earlier reward points from Juice Card. So we'll see the Juice Card summary for my rewards. Now you can see from the Adidas shoes that I bought, I have redeemed 20 points and got 10 points awarded. That's how we can use the reward points from one application and redeem them on another application. For every redemption and every issuing of reward points, we have a transaction in blockchain. Now we'll see the transaction hash on blockchain. Every issue or redemption of reward points is saved as a transaction in blockchain, and this is the transaction hash that is uniquely generated for every transaction. The achievements for reward platform are frictionless system for user perspective, making the process near real time and making each transaction and its record easily traceable. The technology stack used is Ganache for test environment, Truffle for deployment, and Solidity for creating the smart contract. So this was all about our crowdfunding and rewards platform. Thank you.
We create wow.